Every process begins where the crop meets the earth.
Quality is decided long before the factory doors open.
Harvest starts with precision and timing.
Only the crop moves forward.
Sun and air prepare the harvest naturally. Moisture control defines storage safety.
Harvest reaches its final field stage. Field sorting reduces waste early.
Now the journey to the plant begins. Harvest leaves the field, but not the process.
Speed matters, but care matters more.
Every load is measured before it's trusted.
Traceability begins at arrival.
Flow is controlled before processing starts.
The factory reveals its scale.
All right, keep it coming back slow. Right there, hold it. Precision prevents contamination.
Gravity takes over the transfer. Raw material enters the system. This is where agriculture meets industry.
The line never stops moving forward.
Inside, control replaces chance.
People are part of the system too.
Clean entry protects every batch.
Scale is built through repetition. Direction is engineered.
Data guides every decision.
The first transformation begins here. Cleaning starts with motion.
What doesn't belong is removed early. Size and weight define quality.
Gravity never lies.
Air refines what machines begin.
Human eyes still matter.
Safety is layered, not assumed. Only verified material moves ahead.
Preparation is complete.
Processing begins with controlled heat. Uniform motion ensures uniform flavor. Precision protects taste. Transformation is visible. Heat is stopped at the right moment. Balance keeps freshness intact.
Time completes the roast.
Experience confirms data.
Now efficiency takes over. Texture refinement begins here. Removal without damage is the goal. Air finishes what motion starts.
Human judgment still protects quality.
Uniformity prepares the product.
Each format has its place.
Flavor is applied with restraint. Consistency is engineered.
The line accelerates.
Automation begins with vision.
Every kernel is evaluated.
Decisions happen in milliseconds. Throughput without compromise. Flow is engineered, not guessed. Automation still checks itself.
Data keeps the line honest.
Space is used vertically. Final refinement approaches. Refinement happens quietly. Only what belongs remains. Accuracy defines consistency.
Shelf life is protected here.
Stability before sealing.
Responsibility remains human.
Prepared for final delivery.
Everything converges.
Nothing proceeds unchecked. Verification never stops.
Testing mirrors production standards.
Containment protects freshness.
Portion production of rifles will
Numbers confirm stability.
Kissed consistency is visible.
Flavor balance is measurable.
Safety is verified silently. Only cleared product moves on.
Quality releases the line.
Final destination awaits.
Organization maximizes space.
Protection ensures safety.
Traceability is never optional.
Movement completes the cycle.
Every pallet heads to its journey.
And this is how modern factories produce peanuts from start to finish.
Distribution begins here.
The cycle is complete, from farm to snack.